Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock hidden settings and tweaks to get the best performance on your Android phone, whether you're gaming or just using your phone every day. So by the end of this video, your Android device will feel smoother, faster, and optimized for both high performance gaming and daily multitasking. So the first step that you can do is enable the developer options. You can go to the settings on your phone and find the about phone menu, this one, and in here you can just tap build a number 7 times. Okay, this one in here, 7. Okay, now I just need to unlock my phone, and then you can just find the developer options in here. So on my phone, it's under system management, developer options, and in here you can just find the animation scale. From here you can scroll down. Okay, so in here, this is the animation scale. You can just reduce it to 0.5 times like this, and then you can just enable the force GPU rendering, and then just turn on the background process limit to control apps. And step 2, you can optimize storage and RAM. You can clear cache using device care or storage settings. And in here, for example, you can just go to apps and search certain apps. Let's say I'm going to go with YouTube Studio. You can just clear cache by going to the storage and cache and clear cache in here, and delete unused apps and bloatware. You can also use light versions of apps such as Facebook Lite or Messenger Lite. In the next tab, boost gaming mode, you can enable built-in game mode or game booster. So here you can just search on the setting game. Okay, this one on my phone, it's called ultra game mode. So you can just enable this feature on your phone, and then blocks background notification and optimizes CPU or GPU for smoother FPS. So in here you can see I've already blocked notifications, and then you can also install apps like Gamers GL tool or Game Turbo optionally. And next, update and battery optimization. You can keep system and apps updated and switch battery mode to performance mode when gaming, and just disable battery saver while gaming to avoid lag. So in here, go to the battery settings and you can turn off the battery saver. And next, network and cooling. You can use stable Wi-Fi or 5G connection for online games. To avoid overheating, don't game while charging, and remove heavy cases. So that's how you can maximize your Android device's performance for gaming and daily use. It can be this powerful. Like this video if you learned something new, subscribe for more Android hacks, and also click on the thanks button. Bye!